Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're unboxing and reviewing the Motorola Edge 50 Pro 5G in the stunning Luxe Lavender color. This sleek and powerful device is packed with top-notch features, and I'm excited to dive into them with you. Key specifications: display, 6.7, Super HD 15K POLED display, 144Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and 2000 nits peak brightness. Processor, powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 Octa-Core Processor, with primary clock speed up to 2.63 GHz, RAM and storage, 8GB RAM vertical bar 256GB internal storage, camera setup, triple camera system, 50MP, main, +13MP, ultra-wide, +10MP, telephoto, battery, 4500 mAh battery, with 6.8W TurboPower Charging, supports up to 1 to 5W wired charging, GOS, running on the latest Android 14 in the box, Motorola Edge 50 Pro 5G handset, 6.8W TurboPower charger, USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, protective case and film, SIM tool and guides, audio experience, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, and spatial sound by Motorola for an immersive audio experience. With its premium build, ultra-smooth display, and powerful performance, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro 5G stands out as a formidable contender in the smartphone market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.